The dependent care expense and household dependent deductions are refundable credits. You do not have to have a tax liability to claim the credits. If you qualify for both, you are allowed the greater of the two credits. Only one credit can be claimed. Credits for part-year residents are prorated, and the credits are not available to non-residents. This is a credit for eligible employment-related expenses for the care of dependent children under age 13 or disabled dependent or spouse. The maximum credit amount is $240 if the taxpayer claims expenses for one qualifying dependent, or $480 if the taxpayer claims expenses for two or more qualifying dependents. Married taxpayers must file a joint federal income tax return to claim the credit. If a taxpayer resided in Massachusetts for part of the taxable year, a calculation is required. The total credit amount is multiplied by a fraction. The fraction numerator is the number of days the taxpayer resided in the Commonwealth for the taxable year. The denominator is the total number of days in the taxable year, which would be 365 or 366 of a leap year. Claim the credit on Form NR/PY, line 49. The credit can be claimed on Form 1, line 45 for full-year residents. Dependent children under age 12, dependents age 65 or over, or disabled dependents qualify for the household dependent credit. The credit is equal to $180 if the taxpayer claims one dependent, or $360 if the taxpayer claims two or more dependents. The credit can be claimed by married taxpayers only if they file a joint Massachusetts personal income tax return. The credit amount for a taxpayer who is a non-resident for part of the taxable year must be calculated. The credit amount is multiplied by a fraction. The numerator of the fraction is the number of days in the taxable year the taxpayer resided in the Commonwealth, and the denominator is the total number of days in the taxable year, 365 or 366 in a leap year. Claim the credit on Form NR/PY, line 50. The credit can be claimed on Form 1, line 46 for full-year residents. For more information, visit mass.gov/e-file and mass.gov/service-details/view child and dependent related credits. Thank you for watching.